Okay. So what topic we had discussed in the morning? We had discussed regarding the background property and border property, those things. So now our topic is margin. Can anyone explain what is margin actually? Anyone having any idea regarding margin? Don't go
Margin
means
Sir,
space
give
the
some space.
a
So
space.
margin
Fine.
the
Yes,
base.
sir.
Okay. One
The
second.
left, right, top, bottom.
from the outside of the div or what? Some,
What Geeta? What you telling? Yeah, yeah, Geeta, you are fine.
yeah, it's a space from the outside.
A space from outside. Okay.
Yeah.
So wait, I will close this. One dot html. Okay. So margin in the sense a space. Okay. But which side? That will be outside or inside. Go. Let's wait. I will open Paint. Just see.
Your screen is not visible.
No. Is it for all
Yes, sir.
visual? It's visual or not?
No, for me it's not visible. I don't know about others.
What about others? My screen is visual.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Geeta, do one thing. Rejoin.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Okay. So margin in the sense whatever text we will write. Suppose that we written something here. Okay. If we written something, then this text area got some border property. Means they know that up to where they have to stay. Okay. And after that means suppose that can be wrap like this or not? Means your some uh, text having some height width something because that is content, so some height width they have, and after that I had passed one border there. Who is this? Geeta Arora. Link is not there. Which link is not there? Can anyone check in chat what's it telling?
Yeah, it's,
Oh, okay.
I'm online. Yeah, but still your screen is not visible. Yeah, now it's coming.
Okay. So see, if we had written any text, after text, what will be there? It will be contain some height width that text have. Means just consider that is just like imaginary boundary for that particular text. It will not give you exact boundary, actual boundary, but that will be like imaginary boundary. Okay. And after this imaginary boundary, outside, suppose that we have a screen. Okay. So according to a screen, we have some border and pad border is there, means boundary is there on the screen like this one. Okay. So this is your real boundary. Just you can imagine our UI means just come to any browser page or anything. Okay, here itself. So what about the screen size? Left side of a screen, sure something boundary is there. Okay, and here when we writing the text, then just imaginary boundary. So a space between of this one. Okay, this one. These all are margin. Just consider your normal paper. When you was studying in the childhood, what are you doing? This is your text means a notebook. Mainly, mostly what we are doing, we are lifting some space in the left side. This side, correct or not? While study time, we are lifting some space for what purpose? For putting signature, date, something in this side. So just consider that area means outside your content. Like that itself, that margin is. I will show you one. This is a real example. Just wait. Okay. First, take some code. Then we will. HTML. So now I will take just one div. Okay. Take one H1. Fine. And welcome. Let's save. And after that, move to where? Live server. We got this one. Welcome text is there. Okay. Now suppose up to this some height and width is there, means just consider that is like imaginary boundary. Okay, and outside that height width where you getting that blue screen, now consider that as a imaginary boundary. Okay, and after that imaginary boundary all are like margin, means whatever a space in full complete browser, those are considered just as a margin, means outside the content. Now I will show that after inspect, then you will get real visualization. So just see here. Are you getting this one? See what I told, content, that text content. So see, this is your content. Okay. And just consider this padding. This is imaginary. This also imaginary. And this boundary line. This boundary line after border. That is like imaginary part. Okay. Because there nothing. But when you moving your cursor on the margin, you getting that. Okay, that is your margin. What I told, outside the content some imaginary boundary is there after that. So imaginary boundary, which one? This one is the imaginary boundary or border, you can tell. And after that, so this design, what is this one? This is known as a box model. Somewhere in your while course itself it will come. This is a box model. So in box model, what is actually definitions of box model? Can anyone? Shivani?
Sir, can I?
Yeah.
The combination of margin, border, padding, and content is equals
Okay.
to box model.
So what I told, box model. What is coming here? See, margin. Okay, 21.440 something is written there. Then what about border? Border is nothing because that is a dash. Now it's showing dash. Padding. Then this content means the grouping combination of this complete. What all? Grouping of margin, border, padding, content. Combination of grouping of these all known as box model. This is the definition of box model. And in interview, they are asking this thing too much. Okay, what is box model? This is the box model. Don't tell that the process of making box is box model. Nothing like that. So box model is the combination of margin, then border, then padding, then content. This is known as box model. Anyone having issue in the box model? Tell me. Amol,
No, sir.
Shweta, any issue in the box model? Shweta, she is there or not? Shweta is not there. She is unavailable. Okay, so in case of box model, what we had done, we had taken the combination of grouping of which one? Outside margin, then border, then padding, then content, those things. So what I want to add a style over this one. Add that margin. I going to add margin 12 pixel. Just you have to take care where it going. What is happening? It moving somewhere. Now what I had told, combination of, now check in our box model. Previously in margin case nothing was there. Now see margin how much? 65 pixel. Just now we had passed this value 65 pixel. And see here in the box model it came 65 pixel. We had not passed the border. We not pass padding also. Do one thing, pass this all property. Can anyone tell how we pass border? Tell first.
2 pixel solid
2 pixel, fine.
Solid
Solid, fine.
color
or colored.
color.
Colored.
And red. Fine. So we got this one. Now tell me padding. Just pass, just write padding. Nothing is there and 12 pixel. That's it. Now I will show you in the box model these all things. Now come here. Now see, in the box model, what I told margin, that will be outside the border. Okay. Now we got a border which is 2 pixel. I want to increase this value. How you will do? Take 20 pixel. Okay. Now see, margin value that is outside the content. Okay. This is the border. Border is the 20 pixel. Then padding. Padding where? Can you get the idea? Where is the padding? This one now. Amol, can you get something?
Border in.
Yeah. So inside the border and outside the content text, correct or not? Means a space between the border and the content is the padding. Got this? And what about margin? Where is the margin? Outside the border. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the border margin is the outside the border, but the padding is outside the content, but inside the border. Got it? Like this. Then second, that is the text. So this is the exact padding and margin concept. Okay. So whenever you have to move any text, okay, anywhere, if you want to move that in the left side, right side, you can go with the help of a padding and margin. This both. Because when you will take padding, sorry, yeah, margin. I know that this will be confusing type, but when you will work, you will get the idea. Now itself, I will show you the idea. Just wait. Let me copy this complete first. Where I had pass on div or h1. Where it's on h1. Let's do one thing. Pass on the here. Save. Now see what you got. We got that padding, margin, everything. Now what I will do, I want to change value. I want to move that div, complete div in any other side. What you will do? Whether padding, if you have to move text, welcome text, what you will use, padding or margin? For moving inside text, which you will move? If I
padding.
have to, yeah. So if I have to move
Yes.
text, which side you want to move, somewhat right or left anyway. So we will
Right.
use padding, because padding means inside the boundary. Correct? So I passed a 12 pixel. So see, now the boundary is increasing due to the text, but that text is not going outside and box is also not moving. Box is as usual. Where? See, you can check the box. It not expanding in the left side and right side. It increasing in the bottom. Correct or not? Because we are increasing padding. So due to padding, what is happening actually? The space around the welcome text is increasing. See, come to the box model. Padding. See, a space around the welcome text is increasing. So that is padding. But now suppose any scenario is required where you have to move this div, this border, complete border with text somewhere. What you will do? You will use margin. Margin 12 pixel. Now see, you can't realize here. Where is that? On div. Wait. Pass this in. Go with padding. Sorry, margin. Margin 12 pixel. See, now what is going? Your previously when we was taking padding, that time content inside the border, content was moving up and down. It was not doing anything. But in the case of padding, sorry, in case of margin, what is doing? It increasing and decreasing outside the border. Correct or not? Clear, Shivani, Amol, Sweta.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So with the help of margin, we can increase and decrease outside the boundary. But when you going with padding, you will increase and decrease inside. Now you can look over here. See, due to this, have you got? Due to the margin itself, this coming and padding now is 0. But we have the border property because border is there. Okay, so this way we can use margin and padding. But the problem, I not want to move that means margin, whatever margin we had apply, it not want in the all side as like a boundary border. Morning we had seen the border property. So as like that, what was going when you passing one value, single value, in which direction it was moving? Border case, all direction or single direction? Morning we had seen, I think, border property. When we were taking single value, in which side this was effective?
All sides, sir. All side.
All side. So when you passing single value, it going to affect in all direction, not alone that right side or left side. No, like not like that. Dot will come. Fine. Now see, we had passed the margin directly 65 pixel. Due to this, what happened? It moved that content in the left side or right side wherever it's margin. I not want like this. What I will do, I want one by one area. Okay, take this margin. We can do one thing. We can go one by one, margin top, bottom, left, right, like this way also. Okay, but if you want a single shorthand notation, what you can do? 12 pixel. Okay, just wait. I will take 1 pixel, then 10 pixel, then 30 pixel, and then 40 pixel. Now tell me, Amol, which side it going to affect?
Sir, margin is top 1 pixel,
Okay,
right 10 pixel,
Okay.
bottom 30 pixel, and left 40 pixel.
okay. So see what happened. Top 1 pixel. That's why it's negligible. Then right side 10 pixel. Something came here. Then 30 pixel. Bottom. You can't imagine. Then left side 40 pixel. It's already looking like that 40 pixel. Correct. So this way we can go with 3 value, 4 value, all value. So is there any need to go means one by one? Or if you want directly, suppose that I not want like this. I want directly margin left side. Left side means welcome nearby that screen side. What we can do? We can pass directly. Pass a pixel. Now see, we got only 25. I want something extra. Morning we had discussed something DOM. Inspect that. So from now onwards, whenever you have to do a styling and this thing, you have to go with a DOM itself. Inspect and come here and do all the things here. So I want margin. Okay, let's add margin. Which one? Left and go 25, 12 pixel. Increase the value. Are you getting something? Like this way, we can increase and decrease the value. So 178. So what is the value? Value I got 178, something like this. So this way we can pass margin in particular direction. Clear? Or anyone want more explanation for this margin case? Dharmendra, clear?
Clear.
So now the same case, padding. What I want to move that text. Just first apply padding. Where it going up to apply? Just see. Where it get applied actually? It get applied inside the border and content. Between the border and content, correct? I not want like this way. I want only, see, I want only left side because left side the welcome is written which is nearby the boundary. I want like that. Means I want some space there. What we will do? We will pass padding there. And which we will take, Shivani? Padding. Left, bottom, right, which one?
Left bottom. Left.
Left. Okay.
Yes.
So we take in left and just pass some value 125 pixel. Let's see what happened. Now, due to margin, we got a space in this area, left side of the border, due to margin, and due to padding, we got a space here, left side of the welcome. Correct or not? So in this way, we can move a complete div section, not only div, anyone, any section completely, and content also we can move. So is this clear for all, or anyone having doubt still? Margin and padding case. Anyone? Approach clear? Vivekanand?
Yes, sir, clear.
Clear?
Sir, padding.
Fine. You want padding, okay?
Yes.
So see, in padding case, what we had done, where is the padding applied actually? Which outside the boundary or inside boundary? What is here actually? Means text and the boundary, between text and boundary, which is margin or padding?
Yes. Padding, sir.
Padding. So between that, see, when you're not getting that's not an issue. Okay, just hit there, write the code. Means by inspecting, you can write the code and you can check whether padding is working or margin is working. Means anyway, we want what we want our desired output. That's it. Okay, so no need whether margin or padding, but slowly you will get directly, you will hit the mind, it will get you in your mind. Suppose that if my requirement, wait, I showing you another requirement. I written something like this way. Okay, what I
Yes.
want, I want some style. Let's copy this one first. So see what happened. Oh, this not
Class
passed.
7 and sir.
Yeah, class name is there. Give here, not an issue. We got that one. Fine. Now I will remove this all. Border 20 pixel, fine. Remove this left. No issue. Removed this also. Save. We got boundary. Okay. Wait. Remove this from here. Pass in inline element. Okay. So my boundary is like this way. Now what I want to make some space between that text and the border. How I will do? Shivani, can you? I want to make a space between text and the border.
Using padding.
What I
Sir, using padding.
you padding? Okay. So you want a padding in any particular direction or any direction?
Particular direction.
Can we go directly this way? So see, this is working due to padding. And see, the second box is overlapping on the first box. Okay, this is due to padding. So Roshan, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Whenever there is a requirement like this, you
Sir,
can go with
suppose I
padding.
want
So
only move left and right.
okay, just wait. So what you want? You not want to move the text, correct? You want to move the box itself, correct?
Okay,
Or
okay.
not? If you want to move the box, Shivani, what we will take? How we will move the box?
Sir, using board.
We will take margin because we want a space left side of the border, correct? Left means the
Yes, sir.
border welcome a span, the border is there, and outside of the boundary we want that a space, means we want to move this along with the welcome above one. Okay, so we will take margin. Now take the value. Now see what is going there. It's taking only one value, margin. It have to take all value. I don't know where it's taking margin. Okay, it's taking all direction. But it have to. Okay, got it. But I had passed there itself. Okay, let it to be. So we got this one. But if we want a margin in the upper side also, this is in line. That's why I think some issue. But we will pass it. I mean, say a specific margin top. Pass that margin top. Take some value and see. It will not go because of that inline element. If you will make that in means a block level, then it will. But same thing if we will do with that div. See with the div I is showing you. Where is the div? Yeah, okay, fine. So pass there margin 12 pixel. Oh yeah. Now see it coming because 1 second. I think some screen issue or what? Yeah, something I think a screen issue. The span class. We was taking margin. Take this margin 65 pixel. Let's save. Go with 650 pixel. Oh, somewhere it is splitting. Okay, so due to that inline element, it will sometime margin and padding will get affected. Means particularly it will not work. So in that case, you have to convert into which one? Block level element. But one time means like a border means like when we had moved left side, it was working fine. So sometime we getting that issue on the block level element. In that case, we had seen some solution. I forget that. I think width or height. I don't know, something about that. But second option, that's simple. You can make that by a block level element by passing inside a div, and you can go for that. Clear, Roshan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that way we can move that. So padding and margin, I'm not thinking anyone having doubt. Clear or not? So next property is a margin left inherit. What are you getting from this word? Inherit. Inherit in the sense it will take the margin from which one? Margin value of the parent itself. Okay, let's do one thing. Take this. What we had taken? We had taken that. Can we comment here? We can comment. Let me comment this first. Oh, we can't. So now I have to make one div, and after that P and class name is ex1. Okay, so do that. Div. What is next? On div we had pass style. Okay, fine. Then P tag, fine. And here class name, that is ex1. Okay, and pass that welcome to why this mouse not working? graph. graph. Fine. So now say just see what we got. First comment this one. It will be irritate. Yeah. So what you observing here? Can anyone tell something? Wait, let me do this. Now, yeah, 100%. What you getting here? Here, what I had done, I had taken one div, and inside div, I had taken one p tag. That's it, paragraph. Fine. After that, I pass a style for the div. In div section, I had make one border that is with 1 pixel. Let's increase this. One border with the 10 pixel and margin I had passed left. Fine. Any issue up to that? Any issue?
Okay.
Border is
No,
there 10 pixel, then margin left is 100 pixel. And due to margin left 100 pixel, where the space outside the boundary, correct or not? Outside the boundary, a space is there. So what I want the space for this paragraph. Okay. But this paragraph, who is the parent for this paragraph? Look over the code. Who is parent?
Div.
Div is the
Div.
parent. Div is the parent. So same thing we going to use here. That what we will do, we will not write a particular style for this, means margin. What we want actually, my scenario is this: whatever space is there for the outside the boundary, same space we want between this and boundary. Got my point? We want same space, whatever margin is there outside the boundary, same margin we want between the text and the boundary, inside the border. What we will do, we will not do anything, we will just make one class name, and as usual, how we are passing the style, the same thing, class name is there. Okay, we can do one thing. Wait, what you will do, margin, which direction you want?
Dot left.
Left direction. So how much? Suppose that 100 pixel.
100
Let's
pixel.
save. We got 100 pixel. Fine. Same thing, whatever is there, it had the same thing. But I will not write like this. If same space you want, just go and inherit. Inherit that property. Fine. And just margin left, and I had inherit. Inherit in the sense it will take from the parent. Let's
Parent.
save. There is no any changes. Like what? Comment this and save. It gone because we're not passing any margin. So we will inherit that from the parent. Now see, suppose I want padding. Okay, and I not want this one, padding top. I want padding top. We taken 12 pixel. Let's say first we got somewhat a space. Where did this space came? This space came in div section, because anyway that space will be inside itself, because this is your padding. Padding will be always inside. So do one thing. I don't know whether what will be the output. Let's do one thing. Pass this padding for this section also, where it's moving, and inherit that. What you got? Nothing. It doubled. Just it had increased, I think. Let's see. It got double. Correct or not? Because 2 times it getting that padding 12 pixel and 12 pixel. That's why. Got my point? What is the use of inherit? So with the help of inherit property, we can take whatever style was there from the parent, we will take the same. Anyone having doubt inherit in this inherit concept? Tell me. Anyone having doubt? Now, suppose we take a margin. Just take 2H1 here. H1 heading 1 and H1 and heading 2. Fine. Now check. What is there? Heading 1, heading 2. We will pass some style. Remove this H1, pass H2. Now you have to imagine what it will do. Can anyone? Can anyone explain me? Praful or Roshan? Can you?
What, sir? What, sir?
Can you explain regarding this one, this both style?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
H1 is the element and margin can top 0 and right 0 and bottom
Okay.
50 pixel and left is 0.
Left.
Fine. What about the second?
Second, first top 20, right 0, bottom 0 and
Okay.
left 0.
Fine. Wait 1 second. Solid red. And I will copy this. Let it to be green. So see what it is going to do. Margin it had taken top 0, left side 0, sorry, right side 0, bottom 50 pixel. Means bottom having only margin 50 pixel. Correct?
Yes.
And all
Yes.
become 0. All side will be 0. Fine. After that, in this case, top will be how much? 50 to top will be 20 pixel.
20, sir.
Correct? And remaining
Yes.
all will be 0. Means can you imagine between of that heading 1 and heading 2, how much will be the margin, total margin?
20.
20, correct. Amol, what will be total margin between H1 and H2? Heading 1 and heading 2.
Sir, first heading is margin top 0,
No.
left
That's
One second,
70.
1 second. Shivani, okay. Mol, my question is that now heading 1 and heading 2 having some space, correct?
yes.
Heading 1 and heading 2 having some space. So can you tell me how much margin is between both? How much margin is there
70.
between both? Telling
So
70. Okay.
50 pixel.
All 50 pixel,
20
correct.
bottom or 20 top.
Okay. Who is the next? Others. Shivani Sin Kumari. Okay, Sweta joined. Okay, Sweta, can you tell me how much margin between heading 1 and heading 2 from this UI?
I think
Total
30, sir.
30.
Yeah, sir. One is bottom and other one is top, sir. They get collapse and remaining will be 30.
Oh, remaining will be 30. I don't know. Really. Okay, let it to be. No issue. I think it will be 70. I think. Let's do one thing. First uncomment this one. Then we will realize. Now it got collapse. It is as usual space, we can tell. Now uncomment. How much space is there now? 20 pixel? Correct?
Yes.
1 second. Margin 20 pixel. Okay, fine. Let's comment this line also. Yeah. So now that's a 20 pixel. Where? On the top. Now uncomment this. Oh, sorry. How much it will be? 50. Means if suppose margin increased, means gapping should be increased. If margin decrease, means the gapping should be decreased. Sweta, correct or not? So let's see. What happened? It got increased. Means what is the margin now between both? It becomes 70. Collapse in the sense you have to pass a 0. Now I will pass 0. Remove this. When you passing 0 value, no need to pass a pixel. Pass 0. Just save. Now the margin gone, finish. It got a collapse. Got this idea? See,
Yes, sir.
the margin between both, the red and the green color boundary, it got collapse. But if you will remove the margin section 0, just see. Had you got? By default, that much margin is there. So in CSS, they are asking one question. Normalize in CSS and resetting in CSS. Normalize means normal value, normal style, whatever they have. What is now? That is normal value. Correct or not? For heading 1 and heading 2, some margin is there. That is normal because we had not done anything. Correct? But if we not want, we can reset those value. That is resetting of that. So uncomment this line and uncomment this also. Now margin all become 0 in both case. Means now it become reset. Got this idea? What is the difference between margin collapse and margin value? And how we can reset the margin? See here, top and bottom margin of elements are sometimes collapse into a single margin, and that is equal to the largest of the two margin. Both got collapse, okay, and that become the largest margin. Okay. Now, Sweta, is it clear or any doubt? Anyone?
Yes,
If
sir.
any doubt, tell. Clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So please note down that resetting in CSS and normalize in CSS to text that is important. In interview, they are asking this question.
Sir,
So now,
one doubt.
yeah,
Sir, one
Sir,
question.
sir,
question.
inherit the
Uh,
any two class can be inherit same value.
yeah. Inheriting means whether color or whatever is there, you can inherit all the property of the parent. Okay.
Okay, sir. Ha, sir.
So whether like a margin, padding, anything, resetting in CSS. This one question. What this tag is coming? Okay. And next is normalize, normalize in CSS. Normalize means what? Normal by default value of a tag. Okay. Normal means normal by default value of tag, or you can pass here normal by default style value of a tag. Wait, I will increase this one. Okay, this is normalized in CSS.
Sir,
And example, yeah,
sir, one
example
question.
like a just 1 second, margin, then padding this value, and resetting means making 0. Example, padding, margin, etc. Got, yeah, tell me. Yeah, Amol, you are telling something.
Yes, sir. Sir, border example, sir, border is 2 pixel and margin is required. Yeah, no, required yes and no, sir. Pixel in.
1 second, just wait. I had pasted in their document this one, but I think already I had shared this document. So no issue. Wait, I will drop in WhatsApp their chat box. Yeah, what you were telling, Amol?
So my question is, sir, example is border is 2 pixel
Okay, fine.
and margin is not in pixel. Sorry, required is yes and no, sir. Pixel in margin.
No. Okay, got it. So if you're telling that this will be border is in the 2 pixel, okay, and here we had passed 0. If you want, you can pass
Yeah.
pixel. But when
Yes,
there will be 0, no need this value, whether pixel or anything, no need. Okay, but if you want, you can pass.
okay.
Is this
Sir.
correct? This clear?
Yes, sir.
This one
Yes, yes.
question or something? This one. Okay. So when there will be 0 value, no need to pass. If you want, you can. Otherwise, you can ignore that. So I'm not thinking that anyone having doubt now in the margin and padding concept, because padding will be same again, whatever we discussed right now. Padding top, padding left, bottom, or otherwise shorthand notation, single value, we can pass. Correct? Single value, 4 value will be there. Then 3, 2, 1. Same thing we had discussed in the border concept, morning time. So anyone having any issue, tell me this one.
No issue.
Okay. So now just I will go through one more time regarding the box model. In box model, we can find out the length and breadth of the content, means width and height. Okay. See here, padding and element width. How we can calculate? Here some formula is given. Width and height, anything. What it is going to do? Suppose, just wait, I showing you here. This is your box model, correct? Suppose you have to calculate here. What is the margin here? Margin top is 0. I will pass some value. Wait. Here that is. Let me open. Okay, here. Yeah. So what is padding now? Margin value is 16. Padding is border is 0. Do one thing. Pass some value. 2. Then border become 2. Sorry, that also not there. Okay. Let it to be 20. Now pass something here. Double click. You will get that value. See, whatever value we are passing, it's working there. Okay. Don't think this is just for namesake. You can see there. All value is. Okay. So suppose that you have to calculate the height. How you will calculate the height? From here, you will take 16. Then you will came this border. Then padding. Then content height is there something. Ignore that. Then again this height. Then this border border height. Then this margin height. Means from top to bottom, you will add that all value. Means 16 plus 0 because border is not there. So 0. Then 20. 16 and 20, how much? 36. Then there is 0. So ignore that one. Means, and then again, this will be bottom. Then again, how much? 36. 36 and 36, it becomes 72. So what is the height? Total height. It becomes 72 pixel. Got that? This way we can calculate. Same thing is given in the document. See. Here the div element will given with the width of 300 pixel. But if we are providing any width, that will also consider. However, the actual width of the element will be 350. What is that? 350 plus 25 of left padding plus 25 of right padding. Okay. So this way we are going to calculate the value, means height and width like that. You will get this idea. Just look through the box model, this concept. You will get that idea. How much is there? Anyone more means want any more clarification or it clear? Tell me if anyone having any issue regarding padding, border, margin, anything.
No issue.
No issue. Fine. Now what is that next? That is height and width. Now all CSS are simple. Just small piece. Height and width. Suppose that we had written some content here. We not want like this. We want, just wait. I will make some new file. Where is that? 2.html. See, I not writing that in the external CSS, but you have to write, okay? Because it will take time. That's why. So what we want? We want to make, means we want to take height and width concept. So what you can, what you getting from height and width? Can anyone? No one. Normal. I not asking
Image-
regarding the coding.
Sir, height is top to.
I not asking
Sir.
any coding side. I want just general. Yeah, Praful.
Sir, image tag can be used height width manage.
No. Means in CSS I telling what you getting from height and width property.
So
Yes, sir.
And width left to right.
Resize the image. Resize the.
Okay, means height and width in the sense if we want to increase and decrease height and width, then we can use the property of a, yeah.
Yes.
So then we can use the property of a height and width. What is this one? Suppose in the case of image, we had seen this. Suppose what we had done here, we had taken some text we had taken here. Okay, remove this one. Now see, we getting only one text. My screen is proper. Yeah. So some text we had taken. It's fine. Now I added background color. We got sorry. I commented from top. I taken background color. Now you getting this background color only in that section. In which section? According to the height and width of the content. You're not getting this extra up and down. Nothing is there. Is it like that? Not. So what I want to make some space. How I can do that? We can pass height and width property. So just take height property. If you will take a height property, you will get a space in the top to bottom. We got this. But see on the screen, your text is up to here. But then also you getting this width up to last. We not want like that. What we will do? Okay, wait. I want to decrease and increase this height. What you can do? Reduce the value. See, you got this one. Remove this px. Go with other unit. That is px percentage. See, we got something, but value is decreased. Again, 900. Why this not coming? I think we can take only px. Oh, it's not. Okay. Yeah. So percentage. Next EM value. Just check with this. Yeah, this also working fine. So I think percentage some issue. What? In percentage it's not working. I don't know. Okay. So in EM and in pixel, it's working fine. So just we can take with the pixel itself, not an issue. If you want, you can take with that also. Yeah. So one more view width, view height, VH, it will work. Yeah. Yeah, fine. So we will get that what is VH and those things. Don't worry. So what I pass, I taken that 9 pixel. Okay. I taken now 90 pixel. With this way, we can increase and decrease the height of that border, whatever boundary background color we had passed, the section. And one thing, okay, let it to be. Second, if you want to reduce and increase the high width, what we will do? Left side, we will take the width property. Here, what we had taken, we had written 50%. Remove this percentage and pass pixel. Save. See, this way we can increase and decrease. So anyone having any issue in case of height and width? Tell me. Height and width. Whatever you want, you can increase and decrease. One more property will come, max height, max width. Okay. So that time we will see what is difference between max width and max width. Not now. Anyone have any issue in height and width?
No, sir.
No.
No issue. Yeah. So now we got the max width. So see, now itself we will look over this. These are just a simple topic. Nothing is there. But main thing, I will tell practice is required. That is the thing. So what here it's taken max width. Yeah. Here we taken max width 500 pixel. Fine. Do one thing. Increase this value. Increase somewhat more. It's not fine. Max percentage. Okay. Max. In case of max width, we got like this. Now take a width. So see, when I taken width property, in the bottom you got this scroll bar. Are you observing this scroll bar on the bottom? Let me increase the text, then you will get idea. Oh, what happened? Now see, where is your text? Your text is going inside the screen. Correct or not? How? This is due to which style? Width 500 pixel. Do one thing, comment this and take max width and take same 5000 pixel and let's verify what you getting in this case. What happened? A scroll bar gone finish and you got all your text within this. Can anyone justify what happened? When we had taken max width and width, when we had taken width, in the width case, we got one horizontal bar in the bottom and the text not coming like this way. I will do the same thing one more time. See, text came in one line, but it is going inside. See, and see in the bottom horizontal bar. When you will design any website, you have to take care. This is horizontal bar because due to this, your website will shake. See, your website is shaking due to this. This is not correct. In your website, this horizontal bar should not have to appear. Yeah, top to bottom it have to appear. A scroll bar, you can simply tell a scroll bar. Top to bottom it should be, but not in the bottom case. Okay. But when I taken this width, that time be getting a scroll bar. But when I taking max width, a scroll bar gone and the text came in the exact screen. What you got? Can anyone?
In MaxWidth is setting the size of the width.
Okay, fine. Approach, you're telling something?
Sir, max width, I think, set the max value of a screen, sir. Max value of a screen width, sir.
Okay.
What about the value of a screen size, sir?
Okay, so actually what it doing, when we had taken width 500 pixel, it going to fix that. Just do one thing. You can purchase two type of jeans. One will be a stretchable jeans and one will be normal. What will happen in both case? When you purchasing normal jeans, it's not going to increase. It's not going to like elastic type. It will not increase and decrease. Correct or not? Like a stretch, it will not stretch. But when you purchasing a stretchable jeans, it is stretching. Correct. It going to fit, but it will stretch auto. So that is the case here. When you taking width, it is like normal jeans. Okay. Getting this or not? It's like normal jeans. It will not stretch. But when you're taking max width, it will auto adjust. It will fit. Auto fit. Clear? Same thing here. Max width, then it auto adjust in your screen. It's not going to decrease and increase outside the boundary, outside your screen. But when you're taking the width property, it will go outside because that is normal jeans. Okay, it going to fit, that's okay. But if that is extra, then it will not going to fit. Means it will contain their property that you can tell. Clear or not? Width and max width. So always be preparing to go with the max width. But according to situation, you have to take. That is the thing. But knowledge of both should be because both will be useful too much. Clear? Or anyone having any doubt in this one? Width and max width. Anyone having? Just tell me.
No, sir.
No doubt. Sweta, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So always we will try to go with the max width and as like that itself max height. Okay. But you will not realize more difference in case of max height because anyway you will get that a scroll bar. But then also max height is there, then mean height, then mean width, then width. So in case of width, it will not going to increase and decrease as like this we seen. But in case of a mean and max, it will adjust there itself. Clear? So you can go through
Width
this. Yeah,
100% work or not, sir? Width 100%, sir.
yeah, it have to work. I don't know why it's not working in my system. It have to work.
Sir, it's also adjust like a screen size, sir. Whatever the screen, sir.
Yeah,
Then
because
then we-
the thing is that when that's why I told when we taking percentage, okay, according to percentage it will auto adjust in that case also. But maybe sometime you will get issue, so you can go with a max width also. Got that? Because when you taking percentage, there is no fixed result, means the fixed size in case of pixel. In case of pixel, when we taking pixel or EM, that is like fixed size. Suppose that you have to purchase anything 5 kg. 5 kg means 5 kg. It's not going to up and down. But when you going with percentage, just go and take like a, just if you taking any ball, suppose that container or anything. If you're telling anyone just that I want one container, maybe in the container it will increase or decrease half kg. It's not the matter. But when you going kg, suppose 5 kg, then it will fix. Same thing is here. When we going with pixel, EM, any other unit, then the width or whatever proper value we had passed, it will be fixed. Okay. But when we passing percentage, it will be according to the screen size. So mostly be trying to go with the max width than percentage value. When you want that auto adjust on the screen, you can move with the percentage value. Clear? So you can go with this all height, width, these all things, and just you can practice this. This is not much more important, but you can at least. Next, box model. We had discussed this box model. So the same thing, whatever we had discussed just now, say here is the calculation. 320 pixel is the width. Just now we passed some, suppose this here we passed the height and width, that they will consider. Then 20 pixel left and right padding, left and right both have to consider. Then 10 pixel left and right border is there. Then left right margin equal to 350. That is total width. That is total width of the element. So this way we can calculate the total width and height of the element. Clear? This already we had seen. Next is the CSS outline. Can anyone tell me what is this outline?
It's a line which is shown outside of a border.
Outside border. Okay, fine. So do one thing. Where is that? Okay, I will apply CSS on the div itself. So which property that is? Outline. OUTLI outline. How be passing? I don't know. 25 pixel. We not get anything. 25 pixel. Then solid and then red. Where you got this? Now you're thinking this is look like just a border itself. Correct or not? Do one thing. Up to where it gone? Oh my god, it gone up to top, I think. Oh, due to height.
From outside, sir.
Yeah. Due to the height and width, I think. Let it to be. Wait. Okay. Let it to be this. Now I will pass one border property here. Border property.
Sir,
Take a 2
due to-
pixel.
Sir, it is like that because of due to default margin. Give top margin below, then it will come below.
Okay. Wait. Dotted, and then we will go what color name? Correct. Green. Oh my god, this is not looking like. This is like a LED bulb. Abhishek, just plug that power cable for LED bulb. It will blink. Okay. So now, where is the border? Can anyone see this green color? This is our border. Okay. And where is outline? Outside the red color means the outline means line outside the boundary. Okay. Line outside the boundary. Where is the boundary? This green color is the boundary and the red color that is outline. That is known as outline. So whenever you required like whenever any requirement for making outline, you can go with this. Where you can use this with image tag. See, I showing you for making frame. If you want to make a frame, okay, take two. What is this? Oh, flower came. Fine. And why it is this div? Okay, let it we copy this completely. IMG, then this one. I not want this height and width left. Ignore this one. Let it to be remaining. See, in free of cost, you got this frame. Okay, so this way we can adjust our photo. So in image case, we can make this type of design. Got this? How we can do this one? Amol, Sweta, clear? Shivani,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
clear
sir.
this one?
Yes.
So what is this one actually? This is outline. Okay, so in case of outline, we can pass our design as this is just like a border itself. Okay, there is nothing extra, just like a border. 25 pixel be passed, then solid, then something red. And if you want to remove that one, go and top margin, which Amardeep had suggested me. I don't know. This is Amardeep's suggestion. If a TCS suggested, then it have to work. That is the thing. Margin. Why not? We can go directly margin itself. It will all around. $25. Okay. So this way we can make our photo frame. If you want, you can add your image. You can take print out. You can paste. Okay. So that was outline. So again, the same thing. In the case of outline, we can increase and decrease the height, width, whatever required, means whatever we still studied, all the things it will go repeat. That is the thing. Which type of design you want in the outline, you can go with this. In border, these all we had discussed. Types of this all different types. So you can check one by one. These all you will get the design. Then color one by one, separate property you can pass. Then here like a thin, medium, thick, different thing is there. Then for a specific size, in which size you can pass pixel, pt, cm, em, etc. These all are unit. As like kg, we can pass that. So see here outline, what are the different property you can tell and value. So outline style, which type of a style you want? Solid. Outline color, then outline width, something like this way. Here width we can pass directly thin, thick, like that. Otherwise give pixel also, that will also work. See, 4 pixel. So anyone having any doubt? And again, the color property we can pass. So I'm not thinking anyone doubt. Then if you have, you can ask. Tell me if anyone having any doubt. These all color, we not no need to these all colors and these all. Just for reference, I had given, but this is not required. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. What was that? Outline. No doubt. Sweta, Pooja is there.
No, sir.
Okay, no doubt. Now, next is the offset. Okay, so what is offset? That we are writing like offset online outline. I will not save. You have to tell me what you're thinking, where it should become. Sweta, Sweta and Amol, can you tell something where it will come? With a name, you can imagine something. Outline, offset. Where is the outline? Which color? Red one?
No,
Red
sir.
color is outline.
Red one is the outline. And offset, what are you getting the term from the this term pronunciation itself or some idea? What are you getting? Offset means?
Half of the
Offset means a space. Okay.
So space
What
between border and outlines.
Yeah. So border, green color is the border and red is the outline. The space between that is offset. Okay, this type. Reduce this one. Clear? This is your outline hyphen offset. Clear or
Provide
any
offset
issue?
color.
Yeah, hello?
Sir, we can provide offset color or not, sir?
I don't know. I think we can provide. Let's see. Outline hyphen offset outline color is there. Just to see what it will do. No, that is different actually. That we can provide. There is one way. I can tell you. Take this image, whatever this style we had pass in one div. Okay, and pass these styles on the div and pass one background color for there. That way we can. Got my point? When you will take these all things inside one div. Wait, I think I had cutted that or not. Div and pass here. And apply these all style on div section. Okay, and pass the background color also on this complete section. Then whatever background color will be, this will come in the white section, this white area. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that you can do. Then next, up to this clear? Anyone having any issue? These all are simple things. If anyone having issue, tell me. Next, CSS text. What is that? That is text formatting. Already we know that. If we wanted to change color, where is the color text? Oh. If we wanted to, what happened? Oh my God. This much offset came. Okay. So if you want a color, where is the div 100% height? Who is that? Dharmendra. Had you
Yes, sir.
seen now had you seen the issue now? See, we had taken the 100% width. Okay. And see what you getting. This is a scroll bar. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
But we had taken this width equal to 100%. But then also we got this issue. Remove this and take this max width 5000. I had taken 5000 pixel. Where is the scroll bar? And it get auto adjust. Clear? So
Yeah, sir.
sometime that percentage will give you issue, but this max width will auto adjust. It is like your stretchable jeans. It will auto adjust. Okay. Next, what was that? Oh, color. Okay. Who not want who have not idea regarding the color? From first day itself, be understanding this color property. So just you can take the color and you can pass the color name. So you will get the text color, that one. Anyone having issue in this one? Tell me. So now text color and background color, everything we discussed. We had done too much surgery on this topic. Next is the text alignment. Now come to this topic. I wanted to, okay. If I want to make a color not for complete section, remove this. I want color only middle somewhat. Suppose that this one, this text, how I will do? Who will be that? Shivani. Yeah. Tell me. I want a color first one. How they will do? This text.
Using a span.
Fine.
Span.
Let pass a span.
Inside the span. Textile.
Style, then color you can take. Then we can take anything. Correct? So this
Yes.
way we can do. And why we had taken a span only? Why not any other thing? Amol, Sweta?
Because of this inline tag.
Yeah. So that is due to inline tag. If that will be not inline,
Inline.
if we will take block level element, what it will do? Remove this and take a p tag. What are you thinking? What will come? P tag is there. What are you thinking? What will be the output? I have not saved the file.
Sir,
Will it same type?
no,
No,
sir.
sir.
Then what it will do?
After Lauren, everything is in bottom.
It will break into new line, correct?
Yes,
It
sir.
got break into new line.
Yes, sir.
That is due to block level element. So that's why B using that's a inline element. Clear? So this way we can go with that. Okay, next text alignment. If I have to make some text aligned, I going to comment this. Okay. Write some text. WELCOME. Welcome. I want this text into center. How I can do? Can you pass a span first? Fine. And now go with another CSS. But I know I will not go directly from the code. I will go with a DOM. Okay. DOM is a temporary. And this is known as a DOM. But don't ask where that is written. This is written here. DOM, DOM breakpoint. That is DOM. DOM means what? Amol, what I have told DOM?
Document types.
Document. Document type.
No, sir. DOM is inspect and write.
What is the
element.
full form of DOM?
I don't know.
Sir, can I
DOM
tell?
means yeah.
Document object model.
Yeah. So that is temporary or permanent?
Temporary, sir. Temporary.
Temporary. So see now, I had written this welcome. Okay. I want this welcome to be appear in the center. How I can do? I can pass text hyphen alignment center. Okay. This will bring your content in the center. Is any option text alignment right, left? I don't know. Maybe I think text dash alignment. Let's see. Center. This is end. This is inherit because by default that is justify, then left, right. These are all property. Okay. So these all left, right, inherit. These all properties and that text alignment have. So if you want anyone, take this and copy and paste in your style. Fine. Or anyone having any issue? This one.
Start or left, same or not, sir?
What are you telling?
Start, text align, start and text align left. It's same, or not?
It's a prox same. Maybe minor something different, but it will be along approx same. But I have one issue. If I taking this span, welcome. Now I want to make this center alignment or any alignment, whatever. We have to take text dash alignment. Don't take alignment only. Okay. Take this. What happened? It not working anything. Why?
Sir, because it's inline element, no?
Yeah. So this is inline element. So on inline element, this text alignment will not work. So how I will move that to right side or in center? Can anyone?
Yeah, sir, you can put a span into div tag. You can make block level elements. Sir.
We can make this as a block level. But second option, how we can make this block level? We can pass inside a div. Okay. Pass inside div, and now you can apply that CSS on the div section. Then you will get, but then also you will not, it will not affect in all case. Sometime you will get issue. What you can do? You can do one thing. Take this span and pass padding. Okay. Padding which one? I want in the center. So padding left. Correct or not? And pass the value, increase the value. Clear? It is coming slowly it will come. because it is lazy person. Now it is in center. Correct. So you have to pass this value. Clear or not? Anyone having any issue in alignment? Tell me. What are you thinking regarding the image? What it will work? Text alignment or padding, which you have to take in the case of image?
Padding.
Padding. Why? Why not text alignment in the case of image? Because this is image. Image is block level element. Okay.
Yes.
So that's sorry. Image is inline element, and you also telling yes. That is inline element. So we will take padding, not with the text element. It will not work. That is the thing. If you will get here itself, somewhere you will get that written. Justify content, let it to be text alignment, justify. See, in the case of justify, each line is just stretchable. Okay. When you will take justify, then it will justify means it will stretch that. That is the thing. When you will get more content, that time you will look over this one, this difference. You can check that. Now direction, text direction. In HTML, which tag was using for converting the direction? Tell me. Sweta. If suppose I had written ambulance, I will convert. I will change the direction. Which tag was that? Don't depend that when we are informing that today will be your day 3, day 4 material, then only I will ask, means I will revise. Don't do this thing. What will be here? Actually, I can't getting what you all are doing per day, full day. If suppose you are sitting at home, then what are you doing? At least you have to practice. You have to go through the materials. So what was that tag for a writing like this type? It means opposite. Means if you want to change the direction. BDO tag. Sorry,
BDO.
capital letter. BDO. So in BDO, we can pass ambulance. Let's save. What happened? Where is that?
Ambulance is not come, sir.
Wait, ambulance will come. COVID time is there,
No,
man. It
no,
will come.
yes.
Let me check where that gone. Call some contact number.
Sir, it is under the outline.
Oh, it is in emergency service. See, it came. Okay. So video is there. Direction. We had not passed. Pass this right to left. Okay. Same thing we can do with the help of CSS also. What was that? The tag name is also same. Direction. And you have to pass the direction. Okay. That is the thing. So take this again and take a span. I will not take now that, but I will take ambulance. Sorry, where is that? Style and direction equal to be taken right to left. Let's see what happened. Right to left. LTR. Left to right. What happened? Where is the wrong? Direction colon. Why it's not working? It happened some blunder mistake, I think.
Before direction, there is a same. There is
Before direction, double quote. That's fine. Left to right. Let's change this. RTL first. Then we will look over here. Where is my ambulance? Ambulance is there. Fine. Let's see. P tag. Oh, sorry. This is your required actually. This came. So what we have to do? We have to pass two styles in case of direction. One is Unicode BIDI, that is BIDI override. Okay, and one is direction. These two things, it will go together. Clear? It's nothing, just normal thing. In case this is the option of formatting tag. This all comes under formatting tag. Now vertical alignment. I will not go and explain this one. Vertical alignment. Suppose some text is written. This one itself. We can move up and down, bottom up like that way with the help of vertical dash alignment. Text dash top, text bottom. Then again SUB. Already we had a study in so that formatting tag. SUPER super. Correct or not? Anyone having any issue? Tell me. Anyone having issue? No one.
No,
Okay,
sir.
fine. From first day, I listening somebody was taking text decoration none, text decoration none in second batch. I don't know who that. Now your text decoration came. What was that? Anchor tag. So suppose that you have you taken some tag here. Click me. Okay. I not want this underline. In the bottom, the underline is there. I not want. Then you can take the property. That is text decoration for removing that one. Okay. You can take this. Do one thing. I will take this complete. I will pass a style here itself. I will not go that much. Now see, we removed that text decoration. Click me. Fine. So let's say verify what are the different property text decoration have. Text decoration dash is there. Will this work? I don't know. No. Line through. Yeah. Check that. What is the tag optional tab for this one in HTML? Sweta Sivani. What was the tag name in HTML? Who will what?
Delete tag, sir.
Delete. Yeah.
Yeah,
So that
sir.
was a delete tag. Okay. If this is a delete tag, what was this tag? What was the tag name?
What, sir?
What was the tag name for now? Click me, underline is there. One tag was there in formatting case. What was that?
Sir, can I?
1 second. Sivani.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who will speak? Who will tell?
Underline, sir.
I understand.
Underline.
Underline. No, something another tag. In formatting, I telling. Underline is
Sir,
also fine.
INS.
INS tag. Insert
Inserting
tag.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Already Amardeep told. Then they are everybody telling. Next tag is overline. Let's see what it will do. What are you thinking? What it will do? Overline. It will go up. Somebody was asking that in design section that some dot double dash was there in underline. I
Yes,
think you can
sir.
use it. Yeah, in that contact or service, some dash was there.
Sir,
You can make with the
one line can be break and second line start now.
yeah
How it
in that.
possible?
No, I think you can take the border with the help of border. You can border or otherwise you can you can take border and you can just wait. I think div style border. This way. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. But only can text can use, and uh, first first border can end and second border can start.
Yeah. So see, what I done here, I taken two time. Means I taken now div. Means sorry, previously it was div. You can take any block level element and you can pass like this way. Then you can height, you can pass height and width. Correct or not? Take width. Let's see. Correct, Praful, like this way.
Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
By
I
this way
got
we
it.
can do.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And
By this
second,
way we can modify. And in bottom, see, some color is there. Means white space is there. You can remove that one. Otherwise, fill the color. What was that? Background color. It completely red.
Border bottom, sir.
Border bottom.
Yes.
Border bottom is not no any property. Okay, got it. What it is. But this not actually, this is different thing. Like some service is written. Suppose that. Wait, I will write that also. Write here H1 like this way, and some underline was there. Means you can modify that how it will come proper like this way. Want one more time. 2 came. Wait. Pass here. Padding. Otherwise, in this case itself, padding. Padding. Which one? Bottom. Sorry, padding or margin? No. Take here. Margin. Top. 12 pixel. Save. Got this, Praful? And then we want to move that one. So what was that? Margin left. Margin left. Take some value. This way. Then here we had pass margin. Where is that? Where is that margin top? Yeah. Margin top part pass one value. Correct or not? This way we can make that design. If you want a different color, take the color. Amardeep, we can make by this way or not? Correct. And second, if you want to move.
Suppose we want
What? And if you want to move this complete div somewhere, take one div and pass this all style there. And you want to move this completely. A style, and we want float right, left. No, I want in the middle. So div. Okay. Text alignment. Text alignment and center. Let's see. No, it's not work. No issue. Go with margin. Margin. Sorry. Margin left and go 50%. Save. Came in the center. Correct.
Sir,
And
I want
Assume the
horizontal screen.
one second.
Sir, I want to see that this full block, sir, in the right side.
Which block? This one. You want
Yeah,
this in right side?
No, sir. Code. I want to see the code.
Oh, you want to see code. This is, I don't know what I had written. Anyway, I got that output. That's it. See, this is that. I taken one div where we pass one
No,
style
sir.
bot.
I want to see the margin. What margin you have taken?
Okay, 1 second. See, margin top I had taken for separating the second one.
Sir, in my assignment, this work is there. That's why I'm saying the code.
Oh, okay. Margin top I taken 1 pixel. So there it become the gapping between both design.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
And
can you
and
using HR tag, sir?
what?
HR tag, sir.
HR tag, see, HR tag will not work because HR tag you will get from left to right completely.
Sir, we can use width, sir.
In HR, that also we can do. But if you want a more design, that will also work fine. That's not an issue. You can take.
Sir, zoom, sir. You can zoom this section, sir. On the
Which one?
Yeah, this section, sir. Yeah. Zoom, sir. Line.
Yeah, it already zoomed.
Yeah, sir. Inside the some space in cam, sir.
Oh, this you telling a space.
Yeah, inside the line, sir.
Yeah. No, the space which was there, I had filled with color. See, the line is there. And here also. You can reduce that. That's not the issue. You can pass the margin of padding 0, 0. Reset the CSS. Correct or not?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Actually, this was a design. We had shared the real project in
Sir,
that
some
actually.
project.
I showing that URL because whatever person is
Sir, training institute.
training. Oh, I think that's second.
Yes, sir. Training institute. My project, sir. This.
How we teach.
I think Abhishek had asked this dot. I told okay.
I
will
used
check.
HR for this.
Oh,
HR
HR.
tag. But
Okay.
it was not coming same as the that's why I was thinking how to do. So
See this one.
This one.
This design was actually. So same thing we had done here. What happened? Who is this nonsense guy? Hello. Yeah. My screen is visible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes,
here
sir,
text.
yes.
Just 1 second. Vivo unknown Redmi LTI. This laptop fine. Let block all guy. Okay. So here what we done? Here we had passed a text decoration none, then line throw, then again the underline, and this was actually this we can do with the help of border property. See that CSS means just we can imagine. We have to imagine. We will get the output. Nothing tough is there. You have to break that. How you will get that is the thing. Many options, but always this type of design actually don't go with a HTML tag like HR tag and those, because you know the main issue, because same design you want multiple time. Okay, now just imagine if you want the same design, what you will do? Multiple time you will write HR. That's not fine. Suppose that this design you want in the left side, that if you have done any proper design anywhere, then just you will pass that whether in the margin which side you want. What I had done, I had done the both separate, and after that I passed inside one div. That's it. So whenever you want, what about the margin, which direction you want, just you can pass. Got this? So this way we can modify all type of design. We can do that. Next is the text transformation. These all are formatting tag, just understanding purpose. That's it. Text formatting. If you want to convert any text in the uppercase, lowercase, no need to write that all in the upper or lower. We can directly use that text formatting. See here. Just I will comment this line. Now we got this one. This is written in something. Left, right, capital, small, whatever. I want this all things in the capital. What I will do? I will pass a style. and I will go with a text dash transformation, transform. And if you want capitalize, okay, let's see. All become capital or first letter only. All first letter become capital. Fine. Go next. Next is uppercase. What is happening? All complete text, it become in the uppercase. Okay. So that is the thing. This way we can change different type. Anyone having any issue? Tell me. You want this code? Wait. I will share this code. Then you can. I dropping this code in the Telegram channel. Okay. So due to text transform, we can do that one. Then again, text spacing. Suppose if you want that to increase the text between each, you can go with text spacing. Text indent 50 pixel. What indent will do? Indent will provide the space here. A starting time. You can see. Pass there. These all are simple. It's not much more useful, but sometimes it's very useful. So you have to just let us know. See indent. Due to indent, what it going to do? It has a start, means it had given some space during a starting time. See, we got the space before of the starting letter. That is the text indent. One tag, I think in HTML also we had studied that some tag. Then this is these all are formatting tag optional. Okay, the letter spacing, how you can pass a space between the letter. The text is the style is letter spacing. Then line height, that high, if you want to increase and decrease the distance between this both line height, you can use line height. Okay, then word spacing, a space between each word, this each word, 4 word, you can go with word spacing. Then white space. Okay, if I want white space, there are another option. There is one tag. What is the tag name for passing white space? No one. What is that name? So see what I want. I want the space between this one. There is the tag which is dollar. You can pass like this way. First ambition. What is the name? Ambition or ambition something. Then tag is NBSP. What is this? Non. What was that full form? I think I had discussed. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Whatever. Nobody is speaking.
All are going to sleep, sir.
Okay. Okay.
No.
So what was this? What was the name of this tag? NBSP.
I don't know what. Sir, I think space, sir. He generated space.
Yeah. It will give you a space. What was the name? Full form. Non-breaking something was there.
Yes, sir.
What was that?
Yes.
Non-breaking a space.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I think. So if you want multiple time, pass that. Let's see.
Sir, non-breaking space.
Yeah, non-breaking a space, that was. Let's save. Why it's not coming?
The ambulance not want to go somewhere.
Yeah, really.
Yes, sir.
So I want the space here. See, it given that a space due to NBSP. Remove this. You will check that a space gone. Got this idea? So with the help of this, we can, but don't use this much more. Okay, just one time, two time. Otherwise, everywhere, wherever you want to make in center, you will pass only NBSP tag. Don't
Sir,
use
I
much more.
take one project. I'm using 200 times, sir. This.
Yeah. That I telling. Don't use that. Okay. So next is white space. White space, no wrap. This example how to text wrap inside. Okay. So this is not for not wrapping. You can go through these all. Just these are simple. Nothing to discuss in this. Text shadow. Okay. Suppose you want shadow. You can take that. Text shadow, 2 pixel and 2 pixel is there. Where is the tag? Here is anchor tag. Okay, take here itself, not an issue. Sorry. Text as shadow, I taken 2 pixel, then again 2 pixel. Let's see. See. Okay, this coming due to text shadow. So with the help of text shadow, we can get like this way. What I done? I had passed 2 times the value. Now we can pass the color. Text shadow effect. Take 3 value. It's all going to make your design attractive actually. Somebody telling I will not do anything, then how my design will attractive? Who is thinking like this? So see, we taken 2 pixel, 2 pixel, and it become red. Is any third color will work? I don't know. Oh, it completely
Yeah,
gone.
it's what? It's transparent.
Yeah, that gone. Okay. So this way we can make our text shadow type. Okay. So that is a property name is text shadow, and you can pass how much thickness you want. Means not sorry, thickness not. This is space. See the letter, first letter and the back letter. How much gapping you want? See, if I will pass a 20 pixel. See, this much gapping is there. There is no shadow. Name of shadow it become finish. Okay. So text shadow. Now text shadow effect. We can take 3 value. What is this 3 value? Let's see. Anybody feeling bored? Tell me. I will order pizza for that guy who is feeling bored. So here what is that? We have taken 3 value. Due to 3 value, it came like 3D type. Okay. Just decrease this value. Take some high value, 10 pixel. Means backside it's going, but it's giving
One,
something shadow type. Yeah.
one,
One.
2.
Okay. Shadow is there, but due to 3D, backside shadow is like that way. We can go with 1. Otherwise, take 2 value. That is looking good. See, the exact. Fine. So this way we can make our shadow value. More text shadow is there, color is something. Then again color is okay. What is this color it will do? This color is for text color. See, this type it came. Means top is coming white and back is coming red. This will make your UI attractive too much. Then different color is there. Take this value. What is this? Here is a hash a symbol save. What is this? This is a red value. This is a design. Fine. So this type we can make our text alignment, different properties there. Already we discussed approx all, but something like text spacing, then something is there we had left. You can go through the documentation, but you will get all idea. Whatever important, everything we covered. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. in this all complete. What we had discussed today? We discussed regarding height, width, okay, then text property. Then we had covered one more topic, that was width and max width. Okay, then dimension, height, width, that's fine. Box model we covered. Then we covered outline, all the border property. We can tell outline, offset, margin, padding. Okay, then coloring, designing part. These all we covered. Anyone having any issue? Tell me. I going to stop recording. Where is that? No one